or welcome to my channel. Today I want to share some journals, or they could also be flip books or whatever you want to call them, that were inspired by Amber, Lyric Lover Crafts. She has been doing a fantastic series using two 12 by 12 sheets of paper to make a journal. And I've been wanting to make some journals and start creating some for myself, but these I actually made for others. And I'm just going to share the journals, but let it be a surprise who they are actually going to go out to. So I want to just share the first journal here, and I did two different styles. So this one looks just like this, and the pen is kind of just stuck in there. So I thought this one was super cute, so I'm going to share this one. And then I also created, I've been dying to use this paper. This is some super funky paper I had picked up off Etsy, and I love it, and this is the first project I've made using it. So I'm going to share this style and the other one, and both will be linked down below because Amber teaches it perfectly, and you will really love this tutorial. It's super fun, and they didn't take that long to make. So let me show you inside. This is the first journal that I created when doing these two, because I did them on the same day. So this is how this one turned out, and I'm kind of just sticking this pen in there because it looks cute and matches and all. And I did a closure here. This was different, and I tried using my eyelets, and they came out actually pretty nicely. So I was really surprised because I'm scared to use them because I'm always afraid to mess it up. So I did that for this project. I put on the eyelets and some trim, and I decorated the front with these gorgeous trims. This is paper, this first strip, and then these are all trims. And then I had gotten this embellishment. It kind of looks like a stamp, but I removed some things that were too puffy because we wanted to make this flat mail, and added this stuff instead, and it went so beautifully with this cover and everything. So this opens this way, and I ended up making a little pocket here. I added this girl I love, and this is the tag from me. So that is what I did over here, this little pocket. And now you've got a page over here, and I added this ephemera piece that says love. And you could use this to journal, you could use this for photos. I wanted to keep the pages pretty open, so if she wanted to add photos or memories, whatnot, on these pages. So this is how this looks over here, and I just added the best day ever. And then it opens again, and this is just blank. And then you got a pocket over here, so it gives you this pocket in here, and then there's one here. So I created these cute little home sweet home tags, and I thought they look adorable, and I did do some little bit of inking around them. So those fit right in there. And then I used these really gorgeous roses. These are from the Dollar Tree stickers. And I wanted to gift them, and I wanted it to all fit in, so I kind of put them in this inner pocket here. I made a little card that she could also use as a journaling card or whatnot. And I only used the glue dot to put on these stickers so that they would not damage this actual card here if she wants to journal on it. So that's all I did here. I included all the stickers I didn't use in this, and then just a little pull tab using my circle punch. And I thought that was so cute to put right in this slot here. So that's what we did. So it's a little tricky just getting it in, but she's not going to keep this in there. This is really just for the packaging purpose. Alright, so this piece is back in, and when you flip it, you have that other pocket. The only thing I want to say I didn't realize was, being that I was using paper that when you folded it, as her directions were, it did matter. So depending on your pattern, you might want to be careful what paper you pick and what pattern. So I used these, I just stuck these little tags in here again. They fit so perfectly, so those are on both sides. And then I made a little pocket down here, and it's like a little tuck spot. And then I'm just including some of these cards, the journaling cards, in the collection. And then we have over here this other page, and then up here I just added weekends, and I wanted to leave it open. Same over here, just one of those stickers and a cute little banner. And then on this page I did just use this cute little bow dangly paper clip that I made for her to go with this book, and I included some of the trim. So I just wanted to clip that right on this page, and on this Home Sweet Home tag you could see that I colored in the little flowers. So I thought that looked cute, put that on this page, and now we're at the end of the book here, and all I did was make a really tiny tuck spot with this paper scrap that was left so that I could include some of the journaling cards. And that is how the book turned out. And then you got the closure. So I just want to show you again how it looks all tied up in a cute little bow. And I do this upside down, the bow, because it makes your bow come out right. And I learned that from somebody else on YouTube. And it's pretty cool that it actually does make your bow come out straight when you tie it upside down. So that is a neat little trick, as you see. Perfect. And then all I got to do is slip my pen right back in here and add some other goodies to the package, and we're all set. So I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and now let me show you my other journal. Here's my second journal, and this one's a different format, and I had this trim from somebody, and it's gorgeous, and it went exactly with this color scheme. So I wrapped this extra around it as a closure, and the recipient can use it for something they want as well. And this booklet is a little bit different. So this is more flip book and the other one is more journal, but you could use it for whatever you want, obviously. So this one opens like so, and then it opens again. So on the front cover, I just kept it kind of simple, being that this paper is super busy and I love it so much. This is my very first project using this paper, and I ended up putting the banners on the side similar to what Amber did, and I will link her video for this tutorial as well. And then the little flower I used in the other journal book, and Color Your World. This was a sticker, and that was included in the package with the papers. And then I used this blue glitter paper, and it's funny, that was something I actually saved from a card, and in this case it came out handy to help make that sticker pop. So then when you open it up, I kept this kind of plain. She could use this to photo mat, or she could build up on to this however she wants. But I wanted it to be flat so that I could send it off like that and not too much. So when you open it is where the little goodies are inside. And how each page connected was with this hinge system. You could sort of see it because this is a different color. So this first one here, the pocket, I've made two little tags here. Fabulous with the peacock, and then a rainbow is a rainbow of possibilities. So true. And I haven't seen a rainbow in a while. And I use this trim so that it could pop out of all the tops. And then I have some cute little sentiments down there. And then the middle pocket, I included a tag that has my information on the back. And it says, imagination can take you anywhere. And then just a plain tag here. Some stickers, and then some journaling cards. Fantastic Fantasy, and this one says Color Your World. So that goes back in this pocket. And then on this pocket, I included some more of those stickers here because they didn't all fit, and this is a journaling card. Imagination can take you anywhere, or you could even pop a photo on there. So that would be cute to save like a little weekend of memories or an event. And then some more stickers, another tag, and then another journaling card. Find joy in the journey. So I thought that was really sweet. And then this is another pocket here, and I put a little pull thing, and it's just one of those adorable Dollar Tree shaker stickers. And I did add my own little sequin mix in here. This is that Let's Party. I love it. And because it's an animal, I thought it went with this animal patterned paper, because that's what is on this paper. The peacocks, zebras, and elephants, and all sorts of things. And then you just flip it back. You flip it back again, and you wrap it up with this, and it looks so super cute. Quick, easy little project to make for somebody to send off in Happy Mail, and they'll think it took forever. And honestly, this really was not a hard project. And the hardest part to me was figuring out how to decorate it at the end. So other than that, constructing the little flip book was super fun and super simple. All right, I can't get the bow, but that is how it looks, you guys. So those were the 2 journals that I created, flip books, what have you. All right, guys, that is it for today. Those were the journals that I've been working on and created for some friends that are so supportive on YouTube. And I hope they enjoy them and like them. And yeah, that is really it. So as always, I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.